अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है, if you feel that a great product sells in the market, then I want to tell you in this video that you're wrong. If you feel that a great product with a great price sells in the market, I would like to say again you're wrong. Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Singh and I'm your sales coach. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 questions that actually sell in the market. Now you must be wondering that how can a question sell in the market? Because after all, products and services will sell in the market. Well, once your question has sold, then automatically the product and service will also follow suit. So let us understand what are the 5 videos, or rather what are the 5 questions that sell in the market. Please listen to this video till the end, because each of these 5 questions are power packed and it will be a game changer in your sales career. If you have not liked my videos till now, not subscribed to my channel till now, go down and do that, because I go and come every day with a new sales video for you. The first question, whenever I start a sales call, I normally start my sales call with a question, and I tell to my customer that, sir, thank you very much for this appointment, but what is it that made you call me today? What is it that made you call me today? What is it that gave me this wonderful opportunity to meet you today? What is it that goaded you to give this favor to call me today? Do you understand the power of that question? Right at the beginning of the sales call, I'm setting the context of my sales call. कि भाई इतने दिन से तू मुझे नहीं बुला रहा था, आज तूने मुझे बुलाया है, आज तूने मुझे अपॉइंटमेंट दी है, आज तूने मुझे ये अवसर दिया है, तो अवश्य तेरे अंदर कोई चैलेंज है. And definitely there is something that is bothering you, and you have called me to solve that challenge. You see? When you start your call with this question, the customer has no option but to explain the challenge that is bothering him in his life. Interesting, isn't it? And by the time the customer has actually gone forward and explained to you as to why he has called you, you double up with second question, that what is the journey that the customer is trying to cover? So the question that I tell the customer is, okay, thank you very much for explaining the challenge, and I'll do my best to solve this challenge. But could you explain to me the journey as to when did this challenge actually start, and what is the situation of the challenge now, and where do you want me to take it to? This is also called the from to analysis. So my question is very sharp, very pointed. I tell my customer that, okay, I have understood the challenge. What is the journey that you want me to cover? So when did the challenge start? What is the state of challenge right now? And where do you want me, that is a salesperson, to take this challenge to? Very sharp question, isn't it? The third question which sells in the market is when you ask the customer that, okay, I have understood the challenge and I have also understood the milestone where you want to take this call. But let's assume for the moment that I am able to solve this challenge for you. What is the financial benefit that will accrue to you? Very pointed question. So when you tell a customer that, okay, I'll supply you better raw materials, okay, I will supply you better spare parts, okay, I'll supply you better product. And when you ask this question to the customer that what is the financial benefit you're going to get out of this better product, you actually put the customer on the back foot, right? And many a times if the customer doesn't know how to reply to this question, you help the customer in replying to this question. But remember, this is a question that sells. Alright? The other question that sells in the market is, I normally tell the customer that how would you like me to participate in this process of fulfilling your challenge? What is the exact role that you want me to play in fulfillment of this challenge? In the sense that, do you just want me to propose, or do you want me to implement, or do you want me to study, then propose, then implement? You see, this question actually helps you dig yourself into the customer's mind, and the customer will now open up to say that, hey, this is exactly what I was looking for. I was looking for a salesperson who not only understands my problem, but also broods over the problem, ideates over the problem, thinks about solution, and even goes for the implementation. So this is again a great question to be asking to the customer. And then one more very powerful question is, how would you like this association to flourish? What are the milestones which you feel will make this association between you and me great? And I ask this question unflinchingly to my customer that, sir, thank you very much for all the audience that you have given me. Assume for the moment that if I do my best and you do your best, what are the milestones that we are going to reach together? That's again a very powerful question, friend. So these are the 5 questions which I think are very powerful questions which any good salesperson must know how to ask to their customers. And remember that the power of these questions will actually set your sales call in the right direction and will make you go for the kill. If you have liked this video, friends, must subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, because I'm going to come every day with a new video for you. This is Sanjay Singh with a special mission to empower 1 million salespersons with the science of selling before 2025. For now, bye-bye.